What's the meaning of clinical? Clinical. Clinical.
Clinical. Clinical. The term clinical refers to the application of medical or scientific knowledge to the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of illnesses or diseases. In a clinical setting, medical professionals use their expertise to evaluate patients, perform tests, and make diagnoses, often based on evidence-based research. The result of clinical work can mean improved health outcomes for patients, as well as advancements in medical knowledge and understanding. Clinical trials, for example, are essential for developing new treatments and medications, which can ultimately improve the quality of life for those affected by various medical conditions.